Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. The students, you should have in your hands the textbook of English grade 1 along with the English workbook grade 1, and we have uploaded the resource packs for English grade 1 for the guidance of principals, teachers and parents, so that it can be very handily helping out the children that how they are going to study the chapters in an orderly manner. And after that, we are providing summer packs that from them you can have the homeworks, the summer task, because nowadays the schools are closed and the children are at home. Welcome students to the third lecture of chapter 1. Previously we have studied the use of a and an in vowels in terms of grammar in lecture 1. Then in lecture 2 we have studied the capitalization and full stops. Now in lecture 3 we will be studying the missing letters. So swiftly moving towards our lecture, and we have to find out the missing letters in the given words. So you should have to open your workbook and the page number is 4. So look at the pictures and give the missing letters of the words. So here you have to use your visuals, your eyesight to look at into the pictures, and you have to fill up the spellings below. So what is the first thing that is you are viewing here? This is what? What is this? This is a buffalo. So you have to fill the spellings, the missing letters that is given below. So what is the spelling of buffalo? B-U-F-F-A-L-O. So you have done it. The next picture is of what? What is it? Shabash. Guess करें. Shabash. What is it? You have to guess it. This is a garden. This is a garden. Now spell out loudly. That is garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. So you have done the two of the examples. The third one is what? What are these? These are cloths. So the spelling is C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Now the fourth one is, what is it looking like? What is this? This is a sandwich. So you have to fill up the missing letters. That is S, then A, then N, D, W, I, C and H. So what is it? That is a sandwich. In the next slide, now we have to select the correct spellings. You have previously done the buffalo, garden, clothes and sandwich. Now the same words are given in a manner that some of them are wrong and some of them are accurate. So which of the spelling of these two is correct? This one or this one? So pronounce it loudly. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. What is this? Buffalo. Is it right? Let's have a check to the second option. B-U-F-F-O-L-O. Buffalo. So which one is the right answer? Yes, this is the right one, buffalo. The next one is G-A-R-E-D-E-N and G-E-R-D-E-N. So what is sound? It is sounding like garden. What? Garden. And this one? That is garden. So which one is the right answer? Yes. Garden is the right answer, not garden. The third one is S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H. So this is sandwich. And the second option is S-A-N-W-I-C-H. That is sandwich. So the first one is the right answer. Now the fourth one, you have to tell me this. C-L-O-T-H-I-S. What is this? Clothes. And the second option is C-L-O-T-H-E-S. That is what? Clothes. Which one is the right answer? Shabash. Guess करें. Which one is the right answer? Yes, clothes is the right answer. So among the four, you have selected the right one and you have discarded, rejected the false one. Now, next we are, now the options are bigger and you have to do it. Which one of the answer is the best one or the accurate one? F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. And the second option is F-R-I-E-N-D-E, friendy. So the right one is friend. The first option is the right one. The second one is E-N-G-L-I-S-H, English. And the second option is E-N-G-L-I-E-S-H, English. Which one is the right answer? The first one is the right answer. That is what? That is English. Now coming towards our third word, principal. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, principal. And here in the second option, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L-E, principale. So the right one is principal. Yes. Then which of the two of the remaining is the right one? Yes. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer, or C-O-M-P-T-E-R, compter. So the second option is the wrong one. The first one is the right one. What you are seeing, that all the options that are listed on the left side are the accurate ones. Let's check the last one. कि इन दोनों में से हमारे पास कौन सा ठीक है? O-M-E-L-E-T-T or T-T-E, omelette. And the second one is O-M-E-L-E-T-E, omelette. Which one is the right answer? शाबाश, guess करें. Omelette. Omelette. The first one is the right answer. So here in this activity, you have realized that the sound of the words is going to justify that I am the right option. On the left side, all of the options are the correct. Why? Because in the first one, the pronunciation was what? Friend. That one is the correct one. And the second one is sounding English. The third one is principal. The fourth one is computer. The fifth one is omelette. So these are the right answers, and your listening skill and your reading skill is going to enhance with this activity. Further practice. Insert the missing letters. Now you have to recall the first slide, that how we have done previously, how to insert the missing letter. You have to use your previous knowledge regarding the pictures. Now here there are no pictures, and you have to give me the right letter here. F-R-I dash and D. What should be the letter? If I am going to fill with A, the first letter, Freon, this is not a word. What will be the answer? This is the wrong one. Shabash. Should I use another? B. Friband. This is also wrong. Shabash, guess kare. This is very easy. Yes, this is a friend. So the first letter was friend, because I have used the two options and the word clearly, asking that I am friend, because only E is missing. The next is what? P-R-I-N-C, Prince, and there is a dash and there is A and L. What should be the answer? You have done it. Yes, the right answer is principal. Now, what is this? E-N-G-L-I, English. What is this? This is English. There should come S and H. Yes, the right answer is English. The fourth one is C-O-M-P-U-T, compute. And two letters are missing. What should be it? This should be E and R. So the right option is computer. Yes, shabash. The last one is, you have done it in the previous slide. These are in your book on page 6. Shabash. What is it? This is O-M-E-L dash dash T-E. Look at the words. Look at the letters. क्या लिखना है? Yes, this is an omelette. So O-M-E-L-E, then T, then T, then E. So the right answer is, that is omelette. So now you have to fill up these what? These blanks. And what it is asking? It is asking that you have to read the numbers and write them in words. You can take help from your parents and your siblings. What is this? This is 1, O and E. So previously you have done that, how to fill in the missing letter in the alphabet, and from the sounding of the words you have picked the missing letter. Now from the sound of the letters you have to write their spellings in the words. This is what? This is 2. So what is the spelling of 2? T-W-O. In this manner, you have to fill the remaining blanks, and this is your homework from 1 to 10. Shabash. Thank you so much for the today's class. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.